In this video, I'll show you how to add availability on Calendly. First, sign into your Calendly account and open your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Availability to view and manage the schedule that determines when people can book meetings with you. Next, create a new availability schedule or select an existing one to edit. Choose the days of the week you want to accept meetings, then set your available start and end times for each day. You can add multiple time blocks if you have different working hours throughout the day. After that, save your schedule and assign it to the event types you want to use. If needed, add specific date overrides to mark yourself as unavailable for holidays, vacations, or other exceptions without changing your regular weekly schedule. Now, review your availability by opening one of your booking pages. Select a date and confirm that only your available time slots are displayed. If anything looks incorrect, return to the availability settings and make the necessary adjustments. Finally, save your changes and keep your availability updated whenever your schedule changes. This helps ensure that people can only book meetings during the times you're actually available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add availability on Calendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.